Good morning, everyone. My name is Joe, Victor Echo 1 Bravo Whiskey Victor. What we're looking at this morning mostly is some little SDR radios that I've put together and put into a case a little while ago, and some people have had some interest in them, so I thought I'd make a quick video just to demonstrate some of the features. They run about $70 or so, give or take, depending what particular version you're getting. This is the clone. The original thing was made by some Russian individuals. I can't remember the name, but anyway, and then there was the Chinese clones, of course, which after a period of time they became much cheaper. So basically, they're a full all-band SDR radio, and they basically come as just one unit like this without the case. So it's just a circuit board without the buttons. But basically, that's it. It's fully assembled otherwise. So I 3D printed, a particular type of case here, and you have your controls on the side. I'm running in with a micro C connector, which is 5 volts, whatever, just because there's no battery on this one. So on the second one, which I actually have hooked up to an antenna, which is just wired, just kind of strung out in the yard, and it has a speaker, and I'll make it back a little bit here. There you go. So you can see the display. Otherwise the same. And the interesting part about all these features you see, the colors, whether you want the signals filled in or not, all is changeable on the touch screen. Let me just turn something up here. See, bring it up in volume. I'll tune it. There's somebody quite strong over here, so if you push on it, it'll move over to it. Let me get to it here. Sounds like it's Mexican, possibly. So I'll get down back here. A little hard doing with one hand, of course. And let's just see what else. Well, let's go up here a bit. I think the strong station here was. A lot of Mexican stations here this morning, so at least it sounds like. Let's see what else is here. Nope. It's pretty. And you can change the, the bandwidth. As you can see right here, you can change the attenuation, volumes, the filters, all that sort of stuff. I've made it a little wider here, so you'll see a bigger signal as I dial across. And I'm just changing the bandwidth. Let me look here, about there. Let's try that. So back to the normal one here, and then let's just dial across. Oh, I got the steps a little too high here. About 100 would probably be the best. Let's just dial down here. See a little signal here. Oh, the way when you're trying to tune something and show something, of course, they disappear or stop talking. So let's just. There's some stronger ones down below here. So all the strong ones seem to be coming in. Amazing. Just the way the propagation is this morning, I guess. Oh, there's someone there. Oh, that's slow scan.
Kilo 9, Oscar Bravo. Got you 58 Michigan.
Now I'll put the noise reduction on.
Thanks for 2541. Thanks for being there.
And you see it really cuts down the background noise. And you can adjust.
Kilo Charlie 3, November, Quebec, Bravo.
And that's coming from this little speaker.
I do thank you there, Russ, for the 5 and 7. You're 5 and 5, 5 EPA, 5 Easter, and Papa Alpha.
I'll hit that. A little awkward when you're trying to do it with one hand, as I mentioned, because you got to push and kind of hold it. And now you can hear the background noise.
You too, I'll spot you. Take care, Russ.
And if I hit it again, it's pretty quiet. And you can see I can change the volume up here, going up and down. By hitting and pushing these buttons, you can change which one is active. You see the little line here that makes it active. You can see the filters are on up here. And then I'll go right here. Yeah, I'm gonna get dizzy here. See if I push the hard. These are the different settings. And you see there's a stack of them, you know, turning preamps on, preamps off, it's RF gain, frequency corrections, goes on and on, attenuations, and you have one for audio as well. Push the audio settings. You have one for, yeah, I'll have to hold it down there. There you go. Now you get for visual settings, whether you want the signals on the waterfall blue or yellow or filled in, not filled in, all kinds of criteria. Then you have an area for noise reduction. Then you have the mode. There we go. All the standard modes. And then you have the bands. I'm having a little hard time holding it and doing it at the same time. And there you go. There's the bands. And you have 5 pages of various preset areas. If I push the button on the side here, it goes back to the main menu. And it's remarkable how sensitive they are. And that's just going through a little kind of extension cable onto regular RG58 going up the back. And again, going up to just an ordinary wire, nothing fancy at all. And if I go here, turn it up a bit. I'll just do a quick spin here. Get a little closer, you can have a little look here.
Mild symptoms. I've had 2 that was worse, but it's still, it kind of stays with there a while. It doesn't go away very quickly. But yeah, I was just wondering.
And that's with the noise reduction off.
It doesn't get all that hot.
If I push on it, it'll go to roughly with the tuning.
There we can find someplace, I'm sure. Back to you, Tony.
Okay, very good, Don. And 2DSWMI. You are really hammered in here today. You're 20 over, and Skip, you're just a little over. That's nice. So Don's got you today, but you got plenty signal, that's for sure. Very comfortable copy. You okay on 160? Yeah, I'm glad you got your antenna fixed.
Just changing the steps.
And you know, I haven't tried. I haven't tried FT8 on 160. I don't know why I didn't think of that. That would have been a good way of testing the antenna. But I have done
And that's
a lot
with the
of
noise
listening,
reduction on.
And I heard OK1 Charlie Fox. He's like
And you can see
he's
just the push
on
buttons.
160 all the time. OK1 CF.
And that's it. That's running off battery.
And I was able to work
as you
him.
can see. And the only
It
connection I
wasn't
have is just the antenna.
Contact I ever had.
Nice clear audio.
You know, he was just barely readable here, but he did copy me. He's got good ears and a good setup, I think, over there. So I did work a European, so I guess I can't complain too much. But the bottom line
So I'll
is
turn that down here. Anyway, I don't know the exact name of these, but they're the SDR radios. You'll see them on eBay. It's probably one of the most common spots. But AliExpress has them. Again, There's the Russian version, which is about twice the price, and it has newer features. But for putting around your shack and that sort of stuff, I found that these ones worked really well. I had no issues with them, and they're really cheap, I guess is the bottom line, but they seem to work well. So there you have it. To give you an idea of roughly what I'm referring to when I refer to the little SDR radios. Well, there's a full sideways view. And there it is all by itself. And that's just kind of a frame with a little stand built in. And then this one was just with a little stand I have in the back. I think I'm going to redo that case anyway and put it into something else, whatever. There you have it, 7.3s. You have a great day from VE1BWV.